So planaችን there was only record song and they come back here because I knew already እዚህ US ውስጥ ፌመስ ሆናለች እና በቃ ብዙ ኢትዮጵያን ኮሚኒቲ ሲጠይቀኝ ስለነበር ሄደን ዘፈን ቀርተን መተን ቶር ልናደርግ ነበር ፕላን። እዛ ስንደርስ አንኤክስፔክትድ እንትን ደረሰኝ። ኤርፖርት ሁሉ ምድረ ማን እንደነገራቸው አላውቅም። ምድረ ካሜራ ፓፓራሲው ምኑ እየተከተሉን በቃ እንትኑ በዛ እና የኛን እንትን ብዙ ሰው ደግሞ ኮንታክት እያደረገኝ አድቨርታይዝመንት ምናምን ሲሉ እኔ ደግሞ ኦኬ ሌትስ ሆልድ ኦን ደ ሙዚቃውን ሆልድ እናድርገውና ሞር አዲስ አበባ ውስጥ እንትን ትሁን ፖፑላር ከሆነች ይጠቅመናል ብዬ እሱ ላይ አተኮርን እና ፊው መንዝ ተቃጠለ። ፊው መንዝ ዌስትድ እና ዴዚ 3 months የተባለው turn out to be like by the time we started recording the music it was like 6 months passed by already 6 ወር አልፏል መዘፈኑ ስንጀምር እና እሷ by that time she's already fed up with everything to famousነቱን አሰለቻት ብትሄድ ሁሉም ሰው አይወዳትም አንዳንድ ሰው ይሳደባል አንዳንድ ደግሞ ከሷ ጋር ፎቶ ለመንሳት ወንበር ይወረውርባታል ይመታታል መኪና ሁሉ አልፈው ሄደው ተመልሳ መታ የገጨቻት ሴትዮ አለች እና በጣም ዴዚ ተናዳ እንክሰስ ምናምን ነው ከዚህ ሀገር ማንን ከሰሰው ልንረዳ መተን እንደገና እንዴት doesn't make sense ላታል እንደዚህ 2-3 times በየሬስቶራንት ሁሉ ሊመርዛት ብዙ ጊዜ ብርጭቆ ውስጥ ጠርሙስ ከተይ ሰጣታል ምናምን እና she said mom what are you waiting for they trying to poison me ምናምን wrong people ምናምን ስትል ኦኬ ካም በኋላ ጥሩ ቦታ እየሄድን እንበላለን እና ምናምንበት እሱ ነው እኔ ራሴ am learning to be famous I didn't know what to do እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ውስጥ ገብቻ አላውቅም ትክክል እንደውም thanks to መንሱር እሱ ብዙ ነገር እነሱ አንዳንድ ታዋቂ ሰዎች ረድተውን እነሞን ቤታቸው ያበሰሉ እየጠሩ እንደሱ ነው ሞር ኢንጆይ ያደረገች ሴፍ የሆነችው እና ከዛ last minute ላይ I told her be patient we gonna go but የመጣንበት አላማ ዘፈኑ መቅረጽ ነው
እሱን እኮ ብያለሁ
ያ ኦሮምኛው አለቀ አማርኛው እና ትግሬኛውን እየሰራን እኔ ፕሮዲዩሰሮች ምኖች እየተነጋገርን ሳለን አንድ ቀን መለሳለኝ she's gone and she was gone like that
okay mom now what everybody wants is peace I want peace right you want it too
right? Don't worry we will be fine you know
so Tina what can we do what is the solution let me ask you mom wait Daisy ምንድነው solution የምትይው
እኔ Daisy I know you want to be married I think is that what it is I want clear argument
I'm 20 years old
okay then what do you want from me you tell me and me I think
I want you see your mom is asking Daisy your mom is asking
okay number one like I want him to apologize he will apologize to you can he if I bring him up can he apologize to you
he apologized many times and the next day አንቻሮጊት ገና ልጅሽን ደርጌ ልካታለሁ I don't know yes apologize doesn't mean anything
mom God forgives everybody right
it's not about that but my thing is Daisy let me tell you something no it doesn't matter he should not disrespect you mom
okay Ishi we understand that we've said that this entire life
okay let me ask you did he say it one time or he did it again and again tell me
I don't know what happened I don't know what happens between her and him I know she says things to him he says things to her she says oh he did this with his sister he says this to her this it's both of them it's both of them listen mom listen can I talk please mom please
okay let her talk Tina for 1 minute please
it's like I know you're my mom you should never be disrespected by anyone
Thank you.
For social media I don't know these people I don't know who says things to you that's not my problem I can't control people say things to me but I know it's not your fault but I'm saying yes I know you guys said like things to each other you said this you reported him to this he did this to you both of you guys are like this so I want him to apologize to you so I'm asking you can he come up and apologize to you
Is this a friendship or a marriage plan? No, it does matter. If he's gonna
It
be in
matters.
your life,
As a mother, it matters, Daisy.
it matters to
It
me.
does matter. That's your mother. It matters to her.
Yeah, if it is just friendship, immediate friendship,
She's
go
your
ahead.
mother.
Of course.
Absolutely, she need to know.
Yeah, if it is a marriage, it's not only me. የኢትዮጵያ ህዝብ ማወቅ ይፈልጋል. People want to know.
Nobody's married. Mom, I'm not
As a
married.
mother,
I'm not married. I'm not married. I don't know why we're talking about marriage. I'm not married.
You're on that road, and I want you to focus on getting to know a
Okay.
better person, or take time to look. You saw him on the screen. There are many TikTokers you saw, and when we went,
Okay, why don't you like him again? Sorry.
it doesn't matter.
Like before, like no, before the like everything that happened. Why didn't you like him?
እባክሽ ብዙ ነገር አጻፊ ከስር ምንም የሚጠቅም
Yeah, please, Milad, please don't say anything to my
Andy,
mom from now on,
Can you
please.
tell Mela to stop
Please.
writing?
Mela በጣም ባለጌ ነች። ገንዘብ
Mela, እባክሽ
Okay.
የማይረባ ነገር አጻፊ ምንድን ነው
Focus on me.
የምትጠቀሚው?
It's my
የአንቺ
last
ልጅ አይደለች አይደል እንዴ? ምንድን ነው በዚህ ደረጃ ያዙኝ ልቀቁኝ የምትይው? ሜላት that's not right።
ባለጌ ነች።
በእናትና በልጅ መካከልማ መግባት የለብሽም ሜላት። እንዴ ይደብራል እኮ የምትጽፊውን ነገር ሺህ ጊዜ ላልፍሽ ሞከርኩ። በእናትና በልጅ
Milad,
መካከል
please.
አንቺ ምን ይመለከትሻል?
Please stop
Because-
disrespecting.
እናቷን ለመስደብ ብዙ ነገር የምታደርጊው ኧረ አይነፋም። ኖ ብሎክ እንዳታረጓል፣ ብሎክ እንዳታረጓል፣ ሞዴሬተር ብሎክ እንዳታረጓል። ግን ሜላት በዚህ ነገር መግባት የለብሽም። የሚመለከት እናትና ልጅ ናቸው። እናትና ልጅ ይነጋገር። አንቺ ገብተሽ ከነሱ በላይ አውቃለሁ ማለት that's not right።
Yes, yeah,
ሜላት
she's not right. Okay.
የዴዚን ባንክ አካውንት ወደዛ አዙራለች። እሷ ሴትዮ በእሱን ተበሳጭታ ነው ጉዳት አውቆባት ነው።
Mom,
Okay.
Daisy, okay, promise me if you want me to accept him, don't travel sometime soon. You planning to go? That I have a problem with that. ኢትዮጵያ ህዝብ እዚህ ያደረሱሽ እነሱ ናቸው። እሱ ኢትዮጵያን ህዝብ እንድትጠይ ነው ያደረገው። ኢትዮጵያ እኔ ዴዚ ከኔ ጋር እስከሆነች ድረስ ኤርትራ፣ ኦሮሞ፣ ጉራጌ፣ ትግራይ ብላ አታውቅም። ሁሉንም ኢትዮጵያ ብላ ነው። ከሱ ጋር መጀመር ስትጀምር ቀኑ ሙሉ ስልክ ላይ ያውላታል መሰለኝ። ኢትዮጵያ እንድትጠላ አደረጋት። የኢትዮጵያ ዘፈን እንዳዘፍኝ አላት፣ ኦሮሞ እንዳዘፍኝ አላት እና በሙሉ ዲሊት አደረገው። ዘፈኗን ሁሉ አስቀራት። ዘፈን አልፈልግም ማለት ነው።
ቆይ ምን አረግ መሰለሽ እናቷን ቆይ ቲና ያለችው እውነት መሆኑና ለመሆኑን ፔጇ ላይ የዴዚ ፔጅ ላይ ገባና የአማርኛ ዘፈኖች የምን ዘፈኖች ከጠፉ የኦሮምኛ ዘፈኖች ምናምን የጉራጌኛ ከጠፉ we got a problem. Daisy, what I'm saying is, I'm going to check on your page. Tina, Andy, I'm going to check on your page. If you delete Amharic music, if you delete Oromo music, if you delete Kurago music, then there's an issue. He's doomed.
Wait,
what are you guys talking about? I don't understand. Like, this is, I asked a question. I said, can he come up and apologize? I don't know what we're talking about, tribes and stuff. I don't understand. Mom, listen,
wait for a minute. Tina, wait for a minute. Let me explain to Daisy. Daisy, after she's with him, she used to love all Ethiopian with no differences. Your mom said that. She used to love Ethiopia with no differences. She play all kind of music. She get along with everybody. Once she start with him, he is not doing any kind of other music. Don't get along with a lot of them, except his own. That's what she was saying.
No, I want to just say something. See, this is, that's a lie.
Okay.
Because I remember, like, see, I don't want to expose my mother to, like,
that's the truth, Daisy.
Okay.
Listen, I don't need to.
Go check her. Hold on, Daisy. Go check her TikTok, and then he deleted everything. He has a control of that.
Let me check. I'm gonna check real quick. Give me 1 second.
The YouTube account, she has no access on that. She lost that access.
Okay.
But I'm talking about.
So can I bring him up so he can apologize to you? That's my question.
No, it's not about that. First, we gotta fix something real quick before he come up.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
I mean, these are just lies, and I don't want to expose my mother. Like, I don't want to say anything more about my mom. Like,
No, it's not
it will
about
just be.
Daisy. You are not listening to me, please. Let me check something real quick, and I'll let you know. I will understand what you were talking about. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna check everything here real quick. real quick.
Yeah.
You used to play with Amharic music. You used to play with
Yep.
Orominya music. You used to play
What
with.
does that matter? If someone
Wait.
wants to use Tigrinya music, go play that. Like, what are we talking about? This is
Wait, can you listen for a minute? Let me check. No, this is Amarinya. ይኸውልሽ ቲና አንዴ ልንገርሽ። ይኸውልሽ this is Amarinya.
One.
በጎንደር ነው የምትጨፍረው። አንድ ድልት ተደርጓል ብለሻል። አንዴ
እሱን አይደለም ቲክታክ አድርገው።
ይሄ ደግሞ ሌላ ሚውዚክ ነው። አንዴ ቆይ ቲና አንዴ ፕሊዝ። ይሄ አማርኛ ነው። ቆይ አንዴ ፕሊዝ። ያልሽውን ነገር እዚሁ መነጋገር ስላለብን ነው።
No, you're doing a wrong thing. That's not what it is.
This is what you said, right?
No, listen, that's you the TikTok account.
ይሄ አማርኛ አይደለም።
Listen again. You're taking the wrong thing. እሱን አይደለም የምናወራው። እሱ ድሮ የተቀረጸ ነው ከኔ በፊት።
No, it's not.
Okay, listen. ቲክታክ አካውንታን ቼክ ካደረግ ብዙ ሰዎች ስንት መቶ ሺህ ብር የከፈሉበት አድቨርታይዝመንት ገብቶ ዲሊት አድርጎታል። እሱን ጠይቃት። why she deleted it?
Okay, I'm gonna ask you, Daisy. He deleted the one you promoted with other ones. A lot of views you have. He deleted some of your music, right?
What happened?
who deleted my music? What
No. The advertisements on your TikTok, what happened to them?
does this have to do? What? So if I
Can you answer
like this is
directly, please? Daisy, can you answer directly, please?
yes, I will. Yeah.
Okay, she's
So
asking
you're
a
asking
question.
me.
Okay, let me ask you. There is an advertisement you did.
Yes.
And you
Yeah.
posted on your TikTok.
Yeah.
What happened to those videos? Can you explain that, please?
There was two advertisement videos. Yes, I deleted it because I didn't.
Tina, can you stop, please? Wait, let her answer.
Okay.
Thank you. Go ahead.
There was two. Like, I don't know why this is getting brought up. Like, it has nothing to do with
answer
anything.
the
But
question, please.
okay, there was two advertisements on my TikTok for like two business promotions by Ethiopia. I deleted it because I didn't like the way I looked in them. Why does anybody care?
I mean, they paid for you, right?
No. We posted them on YouTube. Like, we did a lot of things for them. They were on YouTube
But
as
did
well.
you get paid
We didn't
for
have to. We didn't have to post them on YouTube. We posted them on YouTube. They were on my page for like a month. You know, like a month. It was on my. I didn't post it like back to back and then delete it. I didn't do that. No.
Daisy, the point is, does he have access to your account? Is he the
Yes,
one
he does
making
have
you
access.
I'm
delete
the one
it?
who deleted it. I deleted it. Me.
So he didn't tell you to delete, you know, like any of your
Wait, what
videos?
is this Wishatam? Like, this is. No, because I'm really about to expose. Like, I don't want to expose her, but like, it's.
So how does she know then? I mean, the way you look, you posted for a month.
She's lying. She's a liar. Period. The whole family knows she's a liar. It's like, come on. She told you I take medication yesterday. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Why'd she tell you that?
You ask her. She told me that. That's
Mom,
why.
why did you tell him that I take medication? Why'd you tell him that when that's a lie? Why'd you tell him that? Why'd you take my passport yesterday? Why are you stalking me? Yes, you're my mom, but you need to chill. I deleted my post. Why do you guys care if I delete something on my profile? Was that